You are welcome. How to make cream crackers. It is very simple. How to make it crispy. The things that you may need are on your screen. Flour, sugar, salt, melted butter, water, yeast. First, add lukewarm water to the yeast and then add little sugar to it and stir it and leave it for about 5 minutes. Please make sure that the water is not too hot. If it is too hot, it is going to kill the yeast. Add your salt to the flour. Add your sugar. Then add your yeast, fermented yeast. Add your melted butter. I use 2 teaspoons. When you melt it, make sure it is not too hot. Let it cool down before you add it. The pipe water is added. Add it gradually. Only add it when necessary. I'm using hand machine to mix the dough. You can use your hand to mix it, but if you use your hand, you would need to knead the dough for about 10 minutes before it can become smooth. If you use the machine, there is no need to knead it again. After that, cover it for about 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes till it doubles. When it doubles, then you are ready to spread it on a table. Make it very thin here in order to make it crispy. If you make it thick, it will be bum. To make it thin. Bum is a Ghanaian language. So you can cut it in your own style. Then after that, use your fork to make a design hole on the biscuit. Spread some little oil on the tray before putting the cream crackers on it. Or the dough, the cutting dough. Now it is not cream crackers until it is baked. After putting it on the tray, spread some little oil on it or melted butter, then add or spread little salt on it again. Then preheat your oven and bake it at 140 or 150 degrees Celsius. But remember to check it often. Yeah, your cream crackers is ready. May the good Lord who created heaven and earth bless you. And please, if you like this video, you can subscribe it, like it, comment it. You are all